Today we're gonna have a go at the dash. So my plan with the dash is to cover it in a suede sort of material. I will have to get it quite smooth. It's quite ribbed up around where the cracks are. So I'm going to smooth that out. I'll bog it. I'm going to chuck some paint on it, just to sort of see the highs and the lows, and we'll go from there. Cheers for watching and hope you enjoy. This dash off now. As you can see, there's a couple of screws, a couple up here. Right, we'll get into it. With these, what I've done before is you have to make these even and slightly bigger. Thin them out a bit so the fog sits in them. Trim them out. We're just going to do that with a Stanley blade. So someone's done a repair on this before. Put another fill in there. So it seems to be holding all right. We'll let this part dry and then give another little sand. And then we've got some vinyl paint that'll prime it. So this is the dash so far. You can still see where it was cracked. She's pretty solid there. We lost a piece here, which is sitting in the speaker hole at the moment, so I'll have to glue that in. That's where that corner was. So obviously this is going to be wrapped in a suede sort of material, sort of to match this. So main part was just to get it smooth so you can't see it through the material. That one there, I might have to give it another go. Looks like it's risen up a little bit. Hey everyone, here's the finished product. Suede matching the steering wheel. I'm not happy with all of it.
honestly I'll probably end up doing it again. But it's come up good and it'll be okay for now. There's a few little bumps here that have come up. That's where one of those cracks were, I'm pretty sure. And through the center here.
Hey everyone, this dash I did was a bit of a fail. There's a few things that went wrong with it. First was the glue. As I should know, I've done a lot of this stuff like gluing bench tops and stuff. But the glue was the wrong type of glue. It was the quick glue. I read on the can that it was high temp, so I thought, cool, I'll use that. That's a dash. But it was hopeless. Normal method I use is spray both sides, wait till they're tacky or dry, and then you put them together. That did not happen with this. This was just going off straight away. I should have read the can first, but anyways, we all learn. So I will be giving it another go and getting a bit more material this time. I kind of cut short on the material. I have seen that you can get the cheap self-adhesive stuff, but I'd rather buy some actual solid material and then do it like I had then. But we can try the other one too, I guess. I don't think it'll last too long in the summer. But thank you for watching, and thank you for the support. And hope to get some better vids out to you soon. And we'll give this dash another go. It came up alright. It's going to stay like that for a little bit. But yeah, we'll be redoing it. I won't sleep at night with knowing it like that. Awesome. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.